The 2011 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, all-wheel drive, third-row seat, CD changer, power passenger seat, four-wheel ABS, driver lumbar, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless entry, Bluetooth, front floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, auto-off headlights, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, premium sound system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.